Hello, tutor and classmates. So, my name is Miguel Angel Rojas. I'm 20 years old and I belong to the group of Introduction to Linguistic, and this is the step number 3 mini lesson. To the task number 4, speech sounds and semantics. So today we're going to talk about the different example to these sounds to pronounce some words like contractions or anyway that you say it. So first of all, we're going to start with the verb to be, in this case the contractions. So the first example is I am, yes, but the contraction is I'm happy, he is, he's a good person, she is, she's beautiful, you are, you're. Okay, the second is have. I have been watching TV. So the contraction is I've been watching televisions, TV. I've been. Okay, so the next is has. Okay, the contractions with the verb has. He has belonged. His with this z. Okay, is his belonged. Okay, is that short? So the next is a different sound with these two. Okay, so let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Okay, it's very quickly to sound to quickly to go to. Okay, let's go to the beach. So the next not least is and. Okay, and we use two different sound words in this case. For example, and I sure you're well. Okay, and in this case you can say it and. Okay, for example, and I sure you're well. Okay, and I sure you're well. Okay, we use these words to say the correct pronouns to these words. Okay, so it's all. We look and we listened 5 sentences. To be, I'm strong, you're happy. Okay, have, I've been watching television. 2, let's go to the beach, let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. So and I sure you're well has contraction. He has belonged, okay, to the group. He's belonged. So thank you. I hope you are enjoying with this video and learned a lot of different sounds.